To make money with Phantom Wallet, a popular cryptocurrency wallet for the Solana blockchain, you can leverage various opportunities within the crypto space. Here's how to do it. Staking Solana. Phantom Wallet supports staking SOL, the native cryptocurrency of the Solana blockchain. By staking your SOL tokens, you can earn rewards in the form of more SOL. Transfer SOL to your Phantom Wallet. Go to the staking section and choose a validator. Stake your SOL tokens with the selected validator. Receive staking rewards periodically. Trading cryptocurrencies. You can use Phantom Wallet to store and trade a variety of tokens on decentralized exchanges built on Solana like Serum and Raydium. Buy tokens when prices are low and sell them when prices rise to make profits. NFTs. Phantom Wallet allows you to buy, sell, and trade NFTs on Solana. You can create or flip NFTs to make a profit. Marketplaces like SolanaArt and Digital Eyes allow you to interact with Solana-based NFTs using Phantom. Yield farming. Phantom Wallet also integrates with DeFi platforms. You can participate in yield farming to earn interest on your crypto holdings.